The African calendar is very important for us. This is the calendar that we used before we were colonized, by these Westerners. All along, we've been using a calendar that is based on the Northern Hemisphere. Meaning ukuthi siloko siguqa nalabantu ngesikhathi la kungamelanga siguqe nabo. Meaning ukuthi mesenza lama festivities afana ne-Christmas ne-Easter, you are then assisting amadlozi abelungu. You are giving them strength and power to continue, and dominate us. And when it comes to remember, Guti, there's the Northern Hemisphere and the Southern Hemisphere. Okay. We are on the Southern Hemisphere.
Yes.
We're not supposed to be using a calendar that is based on the Northern Hemisphere.
Because the climate and the seasons are different.
They are different. When it's summer here, it is winter that side. So, Tina, when we took all over the continent, there's no country that is aligned with the energy flow of the continent, because all these presidents have been adopted, a Western, calendar and imposed it upon the majority of African people.